What's going on, everybody? My name is Waleed Nasser. I'm an immigration lawyer based in Chicago, Illinois, and I help immigrants all over the world speed up their delayed immigration cases. So today we're going to be talking about a very specific type of mandamus federal lawsuit, and that's for delayed asylum cases. So if you have a delayed asylum case, stay tuned because I'm going to share with you my strategy for success. So when you have a delayed immigration case, there's a couple of things that you need to consider that are not really considered in other mandamus actions, like for example, a green card application or an immigrant visa. When you have a delayed asylum case, you still haven't gone through the hardest part of the application yet, which is the asylum interview. That's why I like to use a two-step process that I call the cleanup and speed up process. You want to be able to clean up your case and speed up your case. The cleanup process involves making sure that your asylum affidavit is all up to date, making sure that your country conditions evidence is all up to date and current, making sure that you're prepared for the interview, making sure that you have a lawyer that's ready to go with you to the interview, basically cleaning up that asylum case that's kind of just been sitting there for like 3, 4, 5, 6 years, whatever it may be. You want to make sure you get the asylum case in tip-top shape before you decide to speed it up, or you want to at least make sure you have everything lined up before you decide to speed it up. The second part is the speed up process, which is obviously a writ of mandamus lawsuit. We have filed mandamus lawsuits for delayed asylum interviews all the time, and we typically get our clients interviews within about 2 to 4 months after filing the lawsuit. So the speed up process is for the most part a straightforward mandamus case, but where the work comes in here is the cleanup process, okay? You want to make sure that your case is ready to go. You can't just file a lawsuit on a delayed asylum application and expect everything to be good with the evidence that you submitted 5, 6 years ago. Now, the timing of this could vary from case to case. Once we file a mandamus lawsuit, you have 60 days before the government takes action on your case. You have up to 60 days. It could be faster, but typically they don't do anything until it passes 30 days. So we have about 30 to 60 days to work on the cleanup process. So you can file the lawsuit, start the cleanup process if you want, or you can completely start the cleanup process, get everything in line before you go into filing the lawsuit. The cleanup process is really important because that's what's going to help you mostly win asylum. The mandamus is going to speed up the interview process, but if your case isn't cleaned up and if it's not in the right position and if it's full of old, outdated evidence, you might not have a good chance during the asylum interview. So it's best to consult with an immigration attorney to decide exactly when the cleanup process should start, when the speed up process can start, or whether you could kind of do these together at the same time. So if you're an asylum seeker and you have been waiting for your asylum interview for 3, 4, 5, 6 years, I've seen people waiting up to 10 years for their asylum interview, I highly recommend that you consider the cleanup and speed up strategy to success in your asylum application, okay? And if you guys want to talk to me about this process, there's a link to my consultation in the bio. You can schedule a time to meet with me. We also have a free live event that we're going to be doing every week where you can ask me questions for free. And if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you have questions, comments, or video ideas, please put those in the comments. It really helps us determine what our viewers want to see. And our goal is to help immigrants. So the more we hear from you guys, the more we'll be able to put forward content like this that helps you guys succeed and win asylum.